Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are showing how to apply eyeshadow. Very easy tutorial to follow. So today this video is specially made for beginners. So let's talk about how to apply eyeshadow. First, you need eyeshadow primer, eyeliner, eyeshadow, highlight and blending brush. Applying eyeshadow is relatively easy. However, learning to apply eye makeup the right way is no simple task. So guys, stay tuned and let's get started. In this video, we already applied foundation all over the face. A lot of people do applying their eyeshadow before using foundation. So in this video, we already applied the foundation and get the brush done. So all you need right now, prepare your eyes, protein primer on your crease, then blend it out. Apply any eyeshadow of your choice, depend on the look you are going to create, then blend it out with any nude color. Blend your upper crease, blend it smoothly, then apply pencil eyeliner after you apply eyeshadow, and apply mascara to your eye after eyeliner. This order will help you to prevent smudging. Let me tell you another easiest way to draw eyeliner. Instead of drawing 80 lines, you can apply eyeliner pencil by drawing dots along your lash line. Very easy. Connect the dot to create a continuous line. Very easy step to follow. So guys, this is the finished look. See you guys on our next video. Keep watching. If you have any question, feel free to drop a comment on the comment section, and see you guys in our next video. Love you all. Bye.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Got a buildup of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no, you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you, but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade 'cause you feel. Tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray.
retribution. Oh yeah, we want retribution.